I'm late. Past 9. Matlodi.
What?
Ngutsho ka mo bathroom ke nyoko thapa ke latetswe man.
Ka hlapa motho.
O thapa ndroma.
Nko iketle please.
Ngai man nsinya tsa nako busy shave the eyebrow o fetša o de thalela gape.
Enoku, you're gonna have to wait your turn, Shem.
Hello? Is this Oscar Pistorius?
Yes, who's this?
Hey, my man, this is Nuku. I have a problem here. My girlfriend locked herself in the bathroom and she won't come out. Can you come and take care of it?
Of course. Just give me the coordinates of the girl and I'll take care of the rest.
Hold on. Oh, never mind, my man. She's out.
Okay, today we are going to fire some people. We will spin the wheel. And whoever's name comes up, Samkosh.
Iban, that's how you reshuffle the cabinet.
Yebo. Spin it, ke.
Aye.
Uphukile lo mshini.
It's not broken.
Manje uthi kwenzakaleni? Ngisitoshe njengo Obama watu wasesasi. Uyahlanya. Spin it again. Tokyo sexuale. Ubani loyo?
It's not sexually.
Yini? Sex whale?
No, ke segwale.
Ewe. Funda la.
Sex.
Manje funda la.
Wale.
Manje ifunde yonke.
Segwale.
Upemile. If that's what they teach you in matric, then I'm glad I don't have one.
Ewana Zuma, you are a liar. You are a liar. L-I-Y-E-R. Liar.
How? Dalindewo. Ufunani la?
I came to tell you that saying join DA manje. And says that I'm a corporation as a ANC.
Do you even know what DA stands for?
Nah, that's too easy. It stands for Dagas Allowed. Nienzani la? What is that?
Stosha ama ministers underperform.
With the lotto machine.
It's the new firing system.
So you just flush your ministers like condoms?
I sugala.
Oh, that's why Enji Motshega is still a minister.
Ewe, buele ekhaya. Ngithi buele ekhaya.
Nyakuzwa ndoda, uthini?
Ngithi buele ekhaya.
How? Why do you keep saying my name? Ufunani kahle kahle? Manje sewushaya izinto ze-matrix madoda. Kwenzakalani?
Deragile byalo.
Get him out of here.
Hey wena. Wenzani? Wenzani?
Shut up.
Hey, put me down, man. I'm a king, man. Valentina will hear about this. She will hear about this.